So we're a water and sewer excavation company in Detroit. F-150 through big semis and gravel trains. As far as other assets, we have a lot of excavation equipment and excavators and wheel loaders, things like that. Roughly 100 major pieces, as far as trucks, trailers, and excavators. I just recently found out that you can have like smaller pieces like pumps and things like that. So I think as far as what we have on record, I think that's going to go up drastically. I mean, a lot of it is compliance. I think it's probably the biggest thing, especially in a major, metropolitan area like Detroit. We have a lot of eyes on us, right? So we have to, do a lot of extra steps to make sure we maintain that compliance side. So actually, I just signed the contract 2 weeks ago, but I'm hoping that it sort of puts all. Right now, everything is very chaotic and spread out right now. So I'm hoping to have a single location for everything that has to do with fleet and equipment.